So we have our canvas page, we're able to draw on it, we've got our display name following our mouse and ID. I'm still actually working on this part of the project, but I will go into it. I'm almost finished with it. I just want to clean up some of the code because at the moment I've dumped it all into one module and I really want to modularize it so it looks cleaner and nicer. And it is actually using socket.io at the moment as well, but we'll go over that in a separate video. And we do have a logout button as well, which calls our logout API to clear our passport details and our socket.io details as well. So if we check out the code on that, we'll jump into, I guess while we're here, the API. So this is our logout API, and there is a call called logout that we have, and we can also call on destroy as well. So we're just clearing out our sessions and clearing out our passport as well. So that'll clean up everything, and then we're sending back a status of true to just let the client side know, hey, we've done all of our cleaning up in our logout call. So our logout actually is modularized into its own thing. We are using socket.io and navigate from React. So basically, once our fetch happens and it's true, we're saying navigate back to home page, and then we're doing a socket.disconnect as well on the way out, and we're just rendering our logout button that you saw before here, which is actually getting put onto our canvas page, which we're rendering in down here with logout button in our return. Now, I've put a lot of code into our canvas page. I do intend to modularize out the mouse follow and text follow parts of this code because it is basically brain numbing to read all this to figure out what's going on. So bear with me, I'll be cleaning this up later. So with the canvas page, basically we're using React Konva. We're going to be getting the stage layer and lines from it. We're also doing an authentication. So remember when I tried to log in, where were we here? Right? And if I tried to go straight to canvas page, it just locks us straight back out. That's our authentication check that we're doing. So basically we're saying, hey, call on the profile, check if we're authenticated. If it is authenticated, well, we want that unique display name, and we also want to set loading to false, which is set down here in the finally statement. And we're wrapping this around a use effect because React is on a tick, and we only want this to happen once when we get here. So basically, our canvas, we're putting through a use effect. We have our canvas update on a socket, and we're just setting our lines data here. We're then saying, hey, when the socket is off, update the canvas. We're then saying when the mouse is down, so it means we're quote unquote drawing, we're going to get all of our staging point and set lines at our points from our event. And then when the mouse moves, we're going to need to make sure we're actually still drawing. Then we're creating our lines, we're concatenating them together. We're then setting our lines, and then we're also going to emit to the canvas update through socket.io that, hey, we're drawing some lines. And then when you stop clicking the mouse in, we're just setting it to false so that we don't draw essentially when we're hovering around our mouse. So then that ties in with our update. So client side, we're the ones drawing and moving, and then we're also receiving the updates from other clients here as well, all on our canvas. And then we're actually just setting up a stage setting up the layers, we're mapping out our lines, and then we're setting it to green, and then just putting it out essentially for each tick. So that's how you get that flow here happening, like so. And that is our canvas.